The BBP31 sign and label printer gives you several powerful options to create, print, and save pipe marker labels. In this demo, we will focus on how to use the standalone printer to create pipe markers. Keep in mind, you can also create labels using your PC and then send them to your printer. The BBP31 offers you two ways to create and print pipe markers. The first is the built-in pipe marker app that will guide you through the steps to create labels that meet current pipe marking standards. Or you can build your label from scratch using the custom label app. You can use this option if you're already comfortable with pipe marking standards or if you want additional sizing and flexibility options. Today, we're going to focus on using the pipe marker app. Before you begin, be sure you know the diameter of your pipe, including insulation, and the contents of your pipe, whether or not it's hazardous, liquid or gas, high temp or low temp, and so on. Pipe marking requirements are built into the app. It's important to know the pipe size and contents as you will be prompted to enter this data in order to create a compliant label. Now you're ready to begin! From the home screen, select the Pipe Marker app or find it under More Label Types and select Create New File. On the next screen, you can choose from three options: Standard, Roll Form, or Arrow Banding Tape. We're going to use the standard template for this demo. Next, select your pipe size from the list. When you do this, the length and text size are automatically set for you based on current standards built into the app. Those numbers appear here. You will also see the label tape size required to meet the standard. When you're ready, hit Next. You will then be prompted to choose the description of your pipe's contents. Once selected, the recommended color scheme will appear. This is a great time to make sure you have the correct label material and ribbon color installed. Hit Next when you're ready. Now you can enter your label text. The current standard allows for only one line of text. However, you have the option to add up to 3 lines of text here. Once you've finished this step, hit Next. Here, you can add a graphic symbol if you prefer, or if you have regional standards that require you to do so. Hit Next to add arrows to your pipe marker. Here, you can place arrows before or after your text, or both, or you can select no arrows at all. You can also select in which direction the arrows point. Press Next, and your finished label will appear on the screen. Make sure your label material and print ribbon match the on-screen recommendations. You can choose to bypass these prompts when they appear, but then your pipe marker will no longer meet standards. Something to note before you print your label: depending on your location, you may need to change the default governing standard that drives the size and color recommendations of your label. To change the default standard to Canada Standard, Australian Standard, or either of the 2 US standards, press the Menu button. Now, select Setup, and then select the standard for your geography. When you're ready, hit Print.